see it. Bird lost its head. I'm just out for a walk. Do you want to come? Do you want to come? Oh dear. It's been raining. There, look, it's good up here. You see all the birds up here. Oh, hello. You see? Yeah, pretty these are. Yeah. It's the nettles. Lovely nettles these. Oh. Yeah. Hmm. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, yeah. Did you laugh there when I tripped? There's no call for you to laugh either. Do you know what I mean? Laughing at the man's downfall. He trips over, and all you do is just laugh. It's not on. Can you hear? The geese. Ah, listen to them. I don't know if you can see them. Can you see them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Aye. Oh, are you looking at that? Oh, hey, look. Look. Don't look at me dirty fingers. I'm out in the wilds, you know. I can't even look perfectly elephant thing, can I? Yeah, I'm a man who does work. Anyway. Oh, you might be able to see them. Huh? You see? Oh, where have they gone? Oh, there you are. There you are. Anyway, I got a flower for you. Has nobody given you any flowers lately? Oh, look. This is especially for you today. Right, if you call him, shush. I know I can't. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, man. It's amazing what tongues can do. Oh, it sends you high. All that honey, it sends me high. Forgive yourself, Joseph. Put yourself. Hold on now. I've been talking about just having one on, and this is the difficulty you have. You need to. Oh, please excuse me. I am a man. I look like a woman. Oh, I don't look like a woman. I was walking past some young girls. They're only 10, 9, 7. Standing at the bus stop. I get off this bus and off the bus stop. Did I give the bus? I can't remember. It was a while back. And this little girl just looks at me as I'm passing by. And she says, "Mum, look at that woman. She's got a beard." Oh, I think I've told that story before, but yeah. Anyway, I hope you're alright. Some new comments on the site of some beautiful people who've, to me, shown true love. Bless you. That's I read frequencies, I read facial expressions, I read the tone of voices, I can just read the human. Judges, I know they're good, but you know, I can just listen to a story, just question a little bit. The reaction, I can see, I can feel, it's a gift. It frightens people, because they can't lie to us. I just know, without even saying anything. I don't say fuck all. I just think, oh, here we go with the bullshit. Pretending to love and all that, you know, and right, I'm coming into the little room now. Start hearing the birds. Now, which way shall I go? Let's go again. Do you know why I've come this way? Because if I go my normal route, so many people I meet with dogs. It's mainly ladies, and can't help but like the dogs. I get in conversations and oh, dogs. There's one dog I tried. My Rex. Oh, I love that dog so much. Somebody's looking after Rex for us anyway. I appreciate that, really. And somebody says, "That's not your dog. Rex is not your dog." Okay. Oh, let's have some fun, man. You know, I see dogs having fun, and the owners just are so restrictive. I'm thinking, oh, just let them have a bit of fun. No. So, I'll tell you about dogs. There's farmers up there, that's the noise. It's farmland around here. It's all farmland. What was I going to say about dogs? Yeah, dogs. I'm going to tell you an incident where I saw with this poor dog. This poor dog, it was a female, right? Do you know what happened? It was on heat. It was on heat, right? It was so on heat, it wanted to get out of the house. It just wanted to get out of the house. It just felt, I can't, there's something happening, I can't, I gotta be out. Gotta be out. Anyway, the poor dog gets out, not knowing what's facing it. It's come out the house. suddenly, I saw it. This was real. Dogs. Suddenly appeared. There was I counted them. There was there was 9 dogs. 9 dogs. And this dog was in heat, and it started running away. Because this big dog, there were all different dogs. Every one of them were different dogs. Every one of them. And they saw her, and they smelled her, and they thought, oh. And she was freaking out. She was, what's going on here? And she was running, and this dog nearly got on top of her. And this other dog, the little dog, tried, and he was too small, and there was the poor fucking dog. I felt sorry for it, because it didn't know what was anyway, I saw one of them. It got caught. And you know what happened? I was amazed. This was when I was a young boy. I'm really back when I was a young boy. Yeah. And I watched him. And I saw the dog. It was stuck. The dog was stuck. I said, what the fuck? I said, is this what happens to humans? Not understanding, because it was only a boy. I said, fucking hell. You might get stuck like these dogs. And I watching this dog. It was screaming. And so the male dog just turned over, and it was as if it had twisted itself, twisted its thing. You know what I mean? And then I watched, and all the other dogs was there. And it took ages, and suddenly, up, it was off. This dog held this male dog captive. It was a clinch. It couldn't get away. It was a locked in. Remember, this is the first time I've ever experienced, and I've never seen this ever happen before. And I'm watching. And that dog just is wagging its tail off its away. It's gone. But now there's the other dogs sniffing about. Oh, I says, I can't watch any more of this. So I fucked off. So whatever happened. whatever happened. I feel sorry for that poor little fucking dog. It wasn't a little dog. It was in between all the other dogs. So. Anyway. Well, I told you this story, right? Well, Father, what's the illustration? Oh no, Father, no. See it? Within the human, there's things like that going on right now. Girls getting themselves in positions of being around a lot of males. They become bitches. Bitches, Father. Bitches. Fuck. So Father's saying this is what's happening within the human. Bitches. Actually, when I was walking by, can you remember a video I did? And this bird was shouting, bitch you, bitch you, bitch you. Bitch you. Is that a message to mankind? Yes, all of mankind. But I've seen dogs, Father, that are very fearful. That doesn't happen to all dogs. All dogs just don't want to go out and do that. sorry, I had to bring that in. I do talk about the birds and the bees, don't I? You know, the birds and the bees. This is the kind of stuff I like to, the illustrations of these things, you know what I mean? Because in here, you see, you've got the same as what a woman's got on, and you've got all these. I'm sorry, I've got to get in, get into it. Look, you see that? Yeah. See that long thing there? See that long thing there? But it's also got these stamens, you see. And underneath, when they get fertilised, it's like ovaries. And then the seeds form in there, you see, when it's fertilised. So you can produce through seeds. But this is obviously it's come from a bulb. But the bulb originally was a seed. But the bulbs produce every year. Yeah, so it's like eternity. Father put in this eternity over and over and over and over again. It's a cycle of eternity. Yeah. So I'm sorry I had to do that to your flower. Oh man, the most beautiful scent, perfume. Oh man. Oh yeah, man. You've got no idea. Have you smelled it? What a daffodil smells like? If you can smell ramerswan right now. So your flower. I'm sorry you can see it. I've had to smell it and see how beautiful it is. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. Now I've got to calm down. So I've got to just put it down there now, because I've spoiled it now. You silly boy. Yeah. Should I turn off now? I thought it was going to rain, but I've got all my hair tucked underneath. Now later. So it's nice and tiny. Actually, some daffodils down there. I think I'll go down here. I'll get myself a new daffodil. Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. You want to see me fall, don't you? Yeah. Out in the wild. Oh yeah, man. If you haven't received any love today, here's your love. I know I'm crazy. I'll put my flower down here. Okay. Yeah. Like your flowers. Oh. Anyway. Somebody. I try and teach numbers, and it comes up with number 9, and then 18. And they're saying, well, what is that, number 9? What is it? I've already covered these things. You still can't work it out. Look, 9. You got 18. one is what? 9. So you've got 9, 9. And I've covered what 9, 9 is. Listen. I know that it sometimes takes a little bit of time for it to sink in. Go on YouTube. Type in the numbers 3, 6, 9 divine numbers. You'll get a number of videos coming which talks about 3, 6, 9. But the main number is number 9. It's in the geometry. Right? That's all I can say. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't this gorgeous here? And there's nobody about. I walk this earth, I do, and nobody recognises me. Who's this fucker here? They're walking along there. Hey, nobody fucking recognises me. Oh, they do know us, yeah, of course they do. Nah, they don't recognise me. I'm in disguise. Hi. Boy. Hi. I know my hair's a fucking mess. I haven't sworn once, but I did. So I'm sorry if the children wanted to watch this, and I do, because it was educational. When I was a boy, humans do not stick like dogs do. No, they don't get stuck. And saying that, I'll say this. There are very, very few humans that's ever existed who've experienced a look like that. It only happens very, 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 very rarely. Very. But it can only happen when the female is so in love with the male. It does something within, and he can't get out, and she will not let go. That does happen, but it's a rare, many millions and billions of people have never experienced it. It's just very rare. It's ever happened. So don't freak out, because if it ever happens, which billions of people will never experience it, if it ever happens, it's because it's true love between them two. And it's an experience, a one-lifetime experience that it will never move you ever again to want to go with anyone else. Be bitches. It's a forever locking. Not forever, but you get what I'm saying. In love. It's a locking in love. Alright, so I'll tell you what, I'm going to turn it off now. I've got to talk about, I'm coming outside. Someone said to me, Joseph, she said it privately actually, Joseph, don't open your house up. Do all the things that you want to do outside. And I said, yes, sweetheart, that's a great idea. And then something happened where I thought I had to be in the house because of having to quote from the scripts that I use. And then I thought, dear, well, you know all the scripts. You don't need to go to reference it. It might not be exactly the same as the script that the Bibles have today, but you go to the original and you'll tell them what it originally means. Anyway, you know them all anyway, so just quote them. You don't have to have a phone with you to what scripture was this. Just quote it, Joseph. And I said, yeah, Father, you're right. So, whoever gave me that information, thank you very much, because now all the videos will not be done in the house anymore. I will be doing it outside using the illustrations. There's so many I can use. I've just slightly touched the surface in here of all the illustrations I can use to get us to understand very, very deep points, spiritual points, that now is the time for me to bring it in. I've got to address, Father says I have to address all the kings of the earth with certain messages, because I, in my position, they will have to listen to my Father's word, and I am going to bear that word to the nations, to the kings of the earth, to all those in authority. I come in my Father's name to address all the nations and what is about to happen, with all the power that is all retained. Remember, you have no power unless Father grants you that power. You have no power unless my Father grants you that power. I respect anyone who Father's given that power to, but I have to warn you, my Father can remove that power like that. He loves his sons, he loves his daughters. He's put them in positions of great authority, and he's watched and he's seen how disgraceful you all are. You've trodden down my Father's beautiful children. Now they cry to Father, and he's heard. Now judgment has arrived. I'm so damned Father. My Father. It shocks me sometimes. But I do see it, Father. My Father, you know, I am your vessel. You just speak which way you speak, which way you feel. Yeah, Father. Yeah. Sometimes I get a bit shook up after what Father's done and said, and I think, fucking hell, Father. Why? Oh. It's not me. It's because it is me, but no, it's not me. I can't explain, Father. I just can't explain. I've got to go. I'm sorry. Well, yes, I have to address the nations. They will have to know who my Father is. And I very rarely use his name. But they will have to know that I am